Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for cartoon animation. First, open Canva and choose a blank canvas or an animation template to start your project. Canva provides a user-friendly interface with thousands of graphic elements and characters ready for your creative vision. You can easily drag and drop these elements onto your canvas, making the initial setup incredibly simple. This platform empowers you to bring your imaginative stories to life with just a few clicks. Now, let's design your characters and scenes. Canva offers a vast array of shapes, colors, and expressions to customize your animated figures. Build your scene by adding backgrounds, props, and text elements from the extensive library. Remember to group related elements together. This makes moving and animating them much easier later on. You have complete creative control to craft unique visuals for your cartoon. Next, it's time to bring your elements to life with animation. Select an individual element or a grouped object, then choose from a variety of animation styles like pan or rise to add movement. You can easily adjust the timing and duration of each animation, ensuring smooth and natural transitions between actions. Experiment with different effects to create dynamic and engaging sequences for your cartoon. Finally, after perfecting your animated cartoon, it is time to export and share your masterpiece. Always preview your animation to ensure every detail is just right before downloading. Canva allows you to download your final creation in a high-quality video format, such as MP4, ready for viewing. You can then effortlessly share your cartoon directly to social media platforms or other desired channels, showcasing your creativity to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.